Are you grabbing your blanket?
I'm running that EF finally. The latest EF finally got it running and all that. On E16. Did everything the right drive, turbo,
Get at the home.
That Powerpuff Girls action right there. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at the track. So it's only me and my cousin Daniel, as well as his kids. You can see them in here. The whole squad, everybody's either drunk or they are they got other plans today. So this is winter warm-up. Is the first track of the year, and me and my cousin just trying to start the year correct by trying to hit an 11.9 in this turbo four-door. The fastest you went in this car was 12.0 at what?
116.
116. It is a bone stock LS VTEC, and it's got a turbo kit on it, eBay GTX 3582R, and GSR transmission, M Factory LSD, E85, and tuned by REDZONE. It made 361 on 14.5 pounds. So very hopeful that the car would do 11.9. The car should have done it at the last track, but we had minor issue with fourth gear and phone call. We did the cop conversion. Didn't really show you guys that because I've already shown you guys that on the CRX, and the car runs great as of right now. And before we swap it out to the CSS motor, we kind of want to see the limitation of this motor in this car. It is a four-door, if you guys haven't seen, and it's also right-hand drive, full interior and full exhaust. Right now the track is delayed another hour because of the mist, the fog. The track is still wet. They've been prepping for like 2 hours now, but the lane should be open. He's gonna go into tech right now, and I'm gonna have to chill here with the kids. He's gonna make his pass. Hopefully I can see him from the stands and record some passes for you guys.
Like 890, and he didn't like it. He wanted the 1,000, so he pulled the motor out, and then in between then, it's dirty.
person before our dad leak oil? Probably.
All right, guys, so we're having a little issue with the car. After he did the burnout, he went to go get in the line, and the transmission or the clutch is making a lot of weird noise. So we try to diagnose it. Can't really see with the eye what's really going on other than what we can hear. We pulled the starter off. We checked, you know, to make sure if there was like a missing bolt or something, but everything is there. And right now I'm gonna have him drive the car, go through some gears, give it a little pull, see if it does anything. If anything, I'm starting to think that it's a throwout bearing, but you can still drive with a bad throwout bearing. But if it's anything worse than that, we're probably just gonna load it up and go home. But really, we're just shooting for one pull. So just drive it around, see what it does, see what it feels like. See if I can capture that noise for y'all. Do it again. Again. No idea what that is. So the noise only makes sound when he's taking off the first like 1, 2, 3 miles an hour. But after that, it doesn't make any more noise. So I told him, either we're gonna send it or we load it up. So I told him to get back in line, and he's back in line. That's fast. That's it. That is the one.
That's one, that's one, that's one.
Yeah! Hell yeah!
Yeah!
11-8, guys. 11-8. Where is he at? Right there, right there.
Yeah, boy.
Fuck yeah! 11-8, baby. 11-8. Look at this. 1.7, 11.8 at 118.59. That was the first hit too.
Fuck yeah. I felt it. That shit felt hella good.
I said it too. Remember when I turned the camera, I was like, that's the one right there. That shit went.
That shit moved.
Goal has been achieved.
More than achieved. We said 11-9.
11-8. Woo. Hell yeah. How did the clutch feel though? Is it still all weird or not?
Just getting up there, I do the low speed, so I'll get up. Once I get to the line, I do my burnout, it's normal, and then when I do the hit, it's normal.
Oh, guys, all we needed was that 11.9, and he did an 11.8. So right now it's up to him if you want to do a second pass, back it up, or we can load it up and go home and save the motor, pull the tranny, and fix whatever's wrong with it. But at the end of the day, goal has been achieved.
faster.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this was a full hit, 118 miles an hour at 11.8. And then he misshift this pass and this pass, and both
Damn,
identical. Look at that.
This is identical mile per hour.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So if he didn't miss here, he would have had that second
Dude,
slip.
you could get easily into 11, like,
It's easier now.
dude, easy now.
It's in 24s, bro, I'm telling you. So this car, when it went 12-0, it was on 23s, and the 24s definitely helped get out of the hole. Oh my God, what is going on? So they were running jackpots, right? Only a 10 field, and they're about to be done with it. So they just called up for the free runs, and Daniel's back up. So we're still shooting for that second 11-second slip, guys. And then we can get on out of here. But it's gonna be fun runners all day until 4 o'clock, and we got about an hour and a half left. So maybe 1 or 2 more, but if we can crack one more 11-second, we're going on the trailer. All right, that was an okay burnout. Don't be babying that second gear though. That is it. That gotta be it. That gotta be it. We are going home. That's a new personal best, 11.7 at 120 miles an hour. Yo, this guy just beat his personal best 2 times in 1 day, guys.
Yes, go! Woo! Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Hell yeah!
That is it. 120 miles an hour.
Good job, Dada.
Fuck yeah! I told you I was gonna ease in the second this time. I wasn't missing it again.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
So I wasn't missing second again.
11.7 at 120. It's a high 120. It's 121. What a 1.760 foot, guys. 11.719 is his lane on the right. 432. 432. Holy shit. We ready to go home.
Fuck yeah!
Hell yeah. Daniel, need a new tuner.
Yeah.
Shaking so much.
All right, guys, so we left the track about an hour ago, and we stopped by Jack in the Box to grab something here in Gulf. And first I went into the bathroom, and when I got back out, my cousin went into the bathroom, so his daughters were sitting on the bench, right? And I was getting my drink, and this gentleman walked up to me and said, "Hey man, dinner's on me because your kids are well behaved." And he pretty much paid for our dinner. He gave us 40 bucks, and that was definitely unexpected. Truly appreciate it, whoever you are, man. That totally made our day, like, for reals. So now we are heading home. We have about 104 miles. Look at that. And we should be back in no time. Not as tired anymore because we just ate. Didn't really eat anything all day because we were really shooting for that 11-second goal. Mind you guys, it is a 4-door. It is right-hand drive. It is a stock LS VTEC. And it makes 361. Full interior, full exhaust. And the car did an 11.8 and then an 11.7. I don't know about you guys, but that was super impressive. So definitely a great way to start our race season this year. And I'm super stoked to start working on the wagon soon, guys. And hopefully everybody else in the crew get up and going as well. We're going to schedule a tune with everybody's car because that's all they really need. And then hopefully everybody will be out here with us throughout this year too. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for some wagon content to come, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.